We all love to style the insides of our houses, but what about the outside? It's so easy to liven up an outdoor area, and a small space like this can be changed in a day. First of all, think about the functionality of that area. Will it be for socialising and eating, or do you want to create a space to sit and relax? Bright colours are stimulating and great for conversation and dining. Cooler and darker colours are more tranquil and cosy. Today we're using a lovely rich charcoal. It makes a great backdrop for foliage, and when you use contrasting accessories, they're really going to pop. Preparation is key. Remove furniture and plants from the area and cover anything you don't want to get paint on. First, make sure you're wearing the correct safety gear. Then you want to thoroughly wash down the area, making sure it's free from dust, dirt and mildew, and then you leave it to dry.
If your wall has plant residue on it that you can't remove with a cleaner, then apply Valspar oil-based stain blocker to the wall and allow to dry for at least 24 hours. This stops any residue seeping through.
Using an angled brush, cut in along the edges, and then depending on the size of the area, use either a roller or a brush to paint the rest. Allow to dry over a couple of hours and then repeat the process. Once everything's nice and dry, you can accessorize to create your own outdoor oasis. For more tips on how to paint like a pro, check out our How to Paint series at changeinaday.nz.